Today we're gonna fix the iPhone XS Max. We put a new screen, put us a new screen, and we're gonna change it. And all the part we're gonna change the screen. This is broken smash, so we're gonna change it. Uh, we're gonna take out the both. There's a two screw here. There's a two screw here. There's one here, and there's another one. There's two. So you can use this screwdriver. It's four corners in it. So that's we're gonna take out the screw in the bottom. Then after that we're gonna undo these things. The battery first. Important is the battery first to take out, and then always the battery always. So the power is gone. So even you touch anything, so it won't electrocuted something like that. And now we're gonna start the take out the battery. Okay. Now after that we finish that's the battery. There's the battery, and this we have to take out for the speaker. There's two cable going here, one here, one here, one here, one here. But always to take out the battery first. Okay, so that's screen is gone. Now we're gonna start changing a new one. Now we always try. So we put good for emergency, and then I think the new one is look good, so we can transfer now the new one, and we can transfer the speaker as well. Now everything is done. Now guys, that's a new screen now. It's working properly. Yeah, like brand new phone. Yeah. I hope you like my video guys.